Meaning of fantasy.
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 Fantasy. Fantasy refers to a genre of literature, film, and art that involves imaginative or unrealistic elements. It often features magical or supernatural themes, imaginary creatures, and worlds that differ from the real world. The purpose of fantasy is to provide an escape from reality and to allow readers or viewers to explore their creativity and imagination. It can be used to convey complex ideas and emotions in a symbolic or metaphorical way. Overall, fantasy offers a way to experience something beyond our ordinary lives and to tap into the wonders of the human imagination.